Quick and easy cornmeal porridge. Water is boiling. Yes. After the water is boiled, you add the cornmeal. Yes, you mix it up. Make sure it's no lump in it. So you keep stirring to get rid of the lump. Add some coconut milk in there because you want it to be nice and taste real good. So you're gonna put some coconut milk in there. After which you're gonna add the nutmeg and cinnamon. If you have cinnamon stick, you drop that too, and then you're gonna spice it up with a little vanilla. Yes, add some vanilla to it. Yeah, got the nutmeg going in and the cinnamon. Then I give this a stir for it to dissolve properly. Yes, it's gonna dissolve as it cooks, so you don't have to worry about that. So you're gonna dash in some vanilla now. Yeah, put in some vanilla. Spice it up, man. You have to make it nice. Yep. And then I stir that again. Stir. Yeah. Cover it. Allow it to cook some more. You have to make the cornmeal cook properly, guys. Yes, cook properly. Some more. And then after some minutes cooking with those spice and everything, yes, guys, it's now time to sweeten your porridge with some condensed milk, sugar, whatever sweetener you have. You sweeten it up and make it taste nice, okay? And this is the finished product. Yeah, man, real Jamaican cornmeal porridge. Check it out.